This is our evaluation kit. You can see it's a nice form factor. It also comes with this USB cable that you can plug into your computer and a little memory stick which contains all the documentation and all the applications that you'll need. We'll demo only a couple of them today. So essentially, I just took a few seconds to set it up, open the right application. And essentially what it does, once you touch the touch screen here, you'll see the corresponding finger tracking on the screen. And as you can see, I'm going across the diagonal in both directions. You can, this in order to highlight our high linearity. Also, you can notice that I can get all the way to the edge of the screen. Sometimes it's tricky, but we have a very good solution. You can also demonstrate that we have a very fast response time. So even when you draw small features, small circles, they're reproduced very well without having kinks or corners.
You also do multi-touch support as well.
Absolutely. I'm going to try to put 8 fingers on the screen and move them a little bit so you can see the motion on the computer screen. This is the phone on the right-hand side. This is the phone on the left-hand side, actually the other way around. Each of them has its own color, and they're all tracked independently. And even when I come close and then move them back to their original position, you can see that a unique ID is assigned to each finger, so you know which finger is moving back and forth and not getting confused between them. At the same time, for a more sophisticated user, you can look on the right-hand part of the screen where up to 10 fingers are tracked and their coordinates are updated real time. So right now I have only 1 touch. Those numbers on the first line are fluctuating. Now I have 2 and more. And the position is real time updated on the screen, so you can verify the functionality of your solution. So another application that I wanted to showcase, more of a user experience, less engineering intense. Basically, photo album browsing capabilities. You can see that a light touch to the screen and you can flick pictures very easily. You can zoom in, out. You can rotate. So it shows basic functionality of the system. Once again, this graphic window is accompanied with a graphic with a data window which shows you, all the positional information, X and Y for each touch, and also registered all the gestures that are reported, such as zoom in, zoom out, flick, rotation.
So the interface that you have here is USB. What does the chip support in terms of interfaces?
It's correct. Right now you can see it's a USB interface. It also supports I2C. There is another feature of our solution that I would like to highlight. In addition to supporting a touch screen, we can also support buttons, sliders, and wheels. And actually all those elements can be combined in a single device, in a single application. This will just quickly demonstrate a slider. You can essentially increase the brightness of your lighting at home or whatever it is. And you can do several things at the same time. That essentially emulates a slider implementation.